Hey everyone! Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. If this is your first time here, welcome.
On this podcast, we practice real-life English together.
Simple English, slow English, English you can really use.
We talk about everyday places in North America.
Places you actually go in daily life.
Today, we're talking about a car wash.
A place many newcomers use but don't always feel confident about.
In North America, washing your car is very common.
People wash their cars often because of weather and dirt.
You might see many car wash places on the road.
Some are automatic, some are hand wash.
If you're new here, this can feel confusing.
You may wonder where to stop or what to say.
I remember my first time going to a car wash.
Me too. I stayed in my car and felt nervous.
I wasn't sure if I should get out.
I wasn't sure who to talk to.
I also worried about my English.
I thought maybe I would say something wrong.
But the staff were calm and friendly.
They see new customers every day.
In North America, it's okay to ask simple questions.
You don't need long sentences.
You can say things like, "I'm not sure what to do."
Or, "This is my first time here."
That helps people understand you.
And they usually explain things slowly.
In this episode, we'll go step by step.
From driving into a car wash to choosing a wash and paying.
We'll use short sentences.
And we'll repeat important ones together.
If you feel nervous, that's normal.
Many people feel the same way.
You don't have to rush.
You can take your time.
So take a breath.
You're doing fine.
In the next part, you drive into the car wash.
You're not sure where to stop and you want to ask for help.
Don't worry, we'll start there.
Okay, let's go. Okay, now you are driving into the car wash.
Yes, this part feels a little stressful.
You see signs and arrows.
And you're not sure where to stop.
This is very common.
Many people feel confused here.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay.
Hello, is this my first time here?
Yes, I'm not sure where to stop.
That's okay.
Can you help me?
Please drive forward slowly.
Okay.
Stop right there.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Thank you.
Please put your car in park.
Okay.
You can stay inside the car.
Oh, that's good.
We will guide you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I said, "This is my first time here."
That helps the staff understand you.
I also said, "Can you help me?"
That's a very useful sentence.
You said, "Please drive forward slowly."
That tells you what to do.
You also said, "Stop right there."
That means don't move anymore.
After that, I felt calmer.
Because now you know where to stop.
Next, I need to choose a wash.
Yes, that comes next.
Now I'm stopped, I feel better.
Yes, you're in the right place.
But now I see a screen.
Or a person at the window.
This is where you choose a wash.
Many places have a few options.
I always worry about the names.
Like basic or deluxe or premium.
I don't know what they mean.
That's very normal. Let's hear a full example.
Okay.
Hi, which wash would you like?
I'm not sure.
No problem.
What do you recommend?
The basic wash is fine.
Okay, I'll take the basic wash.
That includes soap and water.
That sounds good.
Would you like tire shine?
No, just the basic wash.
Okay.
Thank you. So that was the full example.
Let's slow down.
I said, "I'm not sure."
That's honest and very common.
I also asked, "What do you recommend?"
That's a great question.
You said the basic wash is fine.
That helps you choose quickly.
I didn't need long sentences.
Short sentences work well here.
Next comes payment.
Yes, let's talk about paying next.
Okay, I chose the wash.
Great. Now it's time to pay.
This part makes me a little nervous.
That's very normal.
I see a machine.
Or a person asking for payment.
I don't know what to say.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay.
Let's go. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Okay.
Please tap your card here.
Like this?
Yes.
Done.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at it.
I asked, "Can I pay by card?"
That's very common.
You said, "Tap your card here."
That tells you what to do.
You also asked about a receipt.
A receipt is useful
I felt more relaxed after paying.
because this part is finished.
Next, I will drive into the wash.
Yes, that's the next step.
Okay, I've paid.
Good. Now you're ready to enter the wash.
This part feels scary.
Many people feel the same way.
My car is moving.
Or sometimes it stops.
I don't know what to do inside.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay.
Let's go. Please stay in your car.
Okay.
Put your car in neutral.
Neutral.
Yes.
Done.
Please keep your hands on the wheel.
Okay.
Do not break.
I won't.
The wash will start now.
Okay. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at it.
You said, stay in your car.
That means don't get out.
You also said, put your car in neutral.
That's very important.
You said, do not brake.
That keeps you safe.
I felt nervous at first.
But now you know what to do.
Next, I will wait while the car is washed.
Yes, let's talk about waiting next.
Now the wash has started.
Yes, this part is quiet.
I'm sitting in my car.
And you're waiting.
I see water and brushes.
And I hear loud sounds.
At first, it feels strange.
But it's normal.
I don't need to do anything.
Just stay still.
Let's hear how people talk during this time.
Okay, it will take a few minutes.
Okay,
You can relax.
that's good.
The wash is almost done.
Okay,
You're doing great.
thank you. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at it.
You said it will take a few minutes.
That tells you to wait.
You also said you can relax.
That helps you feel calm.
I didn't need to speak much.
That's normal during the wash,
I felt calmer while waiting.
because I knew nothing was wrong.
Next, the wash will finish.
Yes, let's talk about what to do next.
Okay, the wash is finished.
Yes, now you can drive forward.
I stop the car.
And you look at your car.
This part is important.
You check if everything looks good.
I'm not sure what to look for.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay,
Let's go. You can pull over here.
okay.
Please check your car.
All right.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it looks good.
If there is a problem, let us know.
Okay. Sometimes water is still dripping. That's fine. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at it.
You said, please check your car.
That tells you to look around.
You also said, if there is a problem, let us know.
That means you can speak up.
I felt more confident checking my car.
Because I knew what to do.
Next, I will get ready to leave.
Yes, let's talk about leaving next. Okay, you're ready to leave the car wash.
Yes, I feel much better now.
Let's stop for a moment.
You did a lot today.
You drove in.
You asked for help.
You chose a wash.
You paid and stayed safe.
That's not easy in a new place.
But you did it.
Let's review some useful sentences together.
Say them out loud with us. This is my first time here.
This is my first time here. This is my first time here.
I'm not sure what to do.
I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do.
Which wash do you recommend?
Which wash do you recommend? Which wash do you recommend?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Now it's your turn.
Don't worry about being perfect.
Say 3 to 5 sentences about a car wash.
Or about your first time washing your car.
You can start with,
The first time I went to a car wash,
or
I felt nervous at first.
say it out loud.
Or write it down.
Trying is what matters.
Every time you try, you learn.
Before we finish, remember this.
It's okay to speak slowly.
It's okay to ask for help.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're really glad you're here.
Keep listening
Keep practicing.
and be proud of every small step you take.
We'll see you in the next episode.